Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will make probably the best pancakes ever. So if you are looking for a delicious treat, then stay tuned for this one, because it is worth it. We start by breaking an egg into a bowl. Next, we add some vanilla sugar and baking powder. For the exact amount, let us know in the comments below. When done, we add a pinch of salt, followed by a small amount of cinnamon, some milk, rum extract, and some plain flour. We give it a good mix until it is a nice smooth batter. Next, we add some sugar. You can add honey if you want. We make apple pancakes, so in order to achieve that, we peel a few apples. We don't want juicy apples, because the batter will be too runny after adding them. If there is too much apple juice, then first strain it. We add the grated apples and we mix them in. When done, we add a small amount of oil, but you can add melted butter instead. It is a much better option. In a hot cast iron pan, we add some oil and we portion small amounts of pancake mix. We sear them on both sides until brown and crispy. When they are ready, we take them out and we get rid of the excess oil. We sprinkle on top some powdered sugar and this delicious treat is ready. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It is free and it means a lot to us.